Presenting Measuring and Installing HailStop Hail Guard Netting. Some states average 1,000 hail events per year, causing millions of dollars of serious damage to HVAC equipment. Hail flattens fins and impairs operation with reduced airflow, strained motors and compressors, and raised power consumption. Equipment will fail completely after a few months of minimized airflow. Energy dollars are wasted and equipment repair or replacement dollars are spent. HailStop Hail Guard Netting can be easily installed on any equipment air intake to prevent this damage. Unique mount clips are attached to the flat steel surface surrounding the air intake opening of the equipment. HailStop fits onto the open clips and the movable tab closes into locking position. Netting can be easily removed as needed for necessary maintenance. Begin with your measuring tape against the left inside edge of the air intake opening and measure to the right inside edge. Write down the number and add 1 to 2 inches for the left side and 1 to 2 inches for the right side for netting overlap onto the plastic mount clips. You now have your total width. Place the measuring tape against the top inside edge of the opening and measure to the bottom inside edge of the opening. Write down the number and add 1 to 2 inches for the top and 1 to 2 inches for the bottom. You now have your total height. Rolls of HailStop are available in 10 or 20-ton job kits or a master roll. Each roll of netting is 54 inches wide and can be cut to size with scissors or a utility knife. Begin your installation by holding the Hail Guard netting in place at the upper left-hand corner of the metal enclosure. Mark mount clip placements down the side of the unit. Evenly spaced mount clips should be 10 to 12 inches apart. Center the plastic mount clip vertically on each mark and mark screw placements for each clip. Pre-start each self-tapping screw with a punch for easy installation. Attach each clip with 2 zip screws. The movable tab should be able to lock in a downward position. Install HailStop netting onto the clips with the movable tabs in an outward position. Close each tab downward to lock in place. After left side installation is complete, Hail Guard netting can be unrolled and pulled tight across the air intake opening. Repeat the top and bottom mount clip markings as previously shown and install them. Finish installing the mount clips on the remaining right side of the equipment. Once netting has been installed completely, trim off excess with scissors or a utility knife. For best protection against large, heavy hail, HailStop netting should not rest directly on top of the aluminum fins. As netting is installed, pull it tightly across the unit to create tension. A metal extension strip can also be installed to lift netting off the fins, allowing for space between aluminum fins and protective netting. Extra large air intake applications, typically 20 tons or more, may require 2 or more cut sheets of HailStop netting for full intake coverage. Black plastic zip ties come packaged with our 20-ton kit to combine sheets of netting side by side for a smooth and secure installation. Need more information? Call 1-800-882-8012.